Hello everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. We're in my bathroom right now. I'm gonna brush my hair. I need to cut the ends of my hair. I still want it long, but I kind of need to cut the ends a little bit. They're looking kind of rough. So this month has turned out to be such
the craziest month ever.
Yes, exactly. Oh, these kids always grabbing my nail polishes. Yes, you, both of you. That's the rest of my life right there. They're always gonna be grabbing my stuff. Always grabbing my stuff. But I told you no.
Sorry.
I already told you to stop touching it.
Well, you have nail polish and I need none.
Because you're still too young.
I didn't wear nail polish when I was just 7.
Yulie, I've already said no.
You are too little either. I'm big.
Everything you grab, she grabs.
I'm almost a teen.
Because she wants to be like her sister.
But I'm almost a teen.
Okay, but you're not yet. You're barely going to be 10 years old.
Yeah.
Stop trying to grow up so quickly.
Until I turn into a teen, can you like send me my post?
When you turn into a teen and you learn how to keep your things together and stop making such big messes. So anyway, yeah, our month has, just like my daughter said, it's been a crazy month. It's just a whole month full of anxiety, to be honest. Like, well, anxiety, worriness, is that a word?
Yes it is.
I don't know what's gonna happen.
Good things, bad things, don't know.
But yeah, my husband's gonna be home maybe for the next couple to 3 weeks. He was in a car accident on Friday night, and
it wasn't a car accident, it was a bike accident.
He's kind of hurt himself now, so he has to stay home for a while and rest. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, helping him out, taking care of my 5 children, because I count him as a child as well. So yes, that's what's gonna happen.
And I took my tooth out.
Yeah, she lost a tooth last night.
Yeah, it was really hard. It was several weeks to take this out.
Days, you only had
several days to take this tooth out. It was really stuck in there. Have you ever took a really long time to take one tooth out? I've never left. Very difficult.
It's Father's Day. It's Sunday, Father's Day, and we're gonna spend it just like we did last year at home, doing nothing.
Well, we can't go out, so yeah.
He has to stay home and rest and take it easy for a few weeks.
And he thinks he's gonna like feel better on Monday.
He's crazy.
Well, sometimes my teeth feel better, but teeth and broken bones are not the same.
No, they're not. Alrighty then. I gotta go clean. And our living room looks totally different now. Because he hurt his ribs, so he can't lay down on the bed. So my mother-in-law let us borrow her recliner.
Chair.
Yeah.
AKA
And,
grandma and her dad's mom.
And he's gonna be sleeping there. ¿Qué estás haciendo? No. Dile ew.
Oh, she found a booger.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. No te comas los boogies.
She already did.
She's gonna fall.
Hey, 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 go.
Okay, I'm done washing all the dishes. I'm gonna have a quick lunch, like a pizza. I had pizza and coffee for breakfast, but now I'm gonna finish my pizza. And after I finish my pizza, I will get started on something for lunch for everybody else. I will make tinga so that my family can eat that for lunch, and I'll probably just have that for dinner. So, yeah, guess that's it.
Hi. Hi.